Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel, where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. If you haven't done yet, please hit the subscribe button. Today I have another income report for you guys. I will show you my income, my royalties from the month of May 2022. So stay tuned and we will see us in 10 seconds. So now we are back at our KDP reports page, and we can see that we managed to sell 31 units at the month of May. At the lowest sales day, I made 0 sales. At the highest sales day, I made 4 sales. This was the first month where I saw a consistency of the sales. As you can see on the screen, there were a little bit of lags where I made 0 sales, but I was able to have a little bit of a consistency in my sales. So the sales split it into the German marketplace and the American marketplace. At the German marketplace, I was able to sell 21 units, 5 ebooks, 16 print versions. At the American marketplace, I was able to sell 10 print versions. Now we'll show you how many royalties I made in the month of May. Now we are back at the royalties estimated for the month of May, and we can see that I made a little bit over $85 for this month. You can see down below that the royalties are split into 4 marketplaces. I was able to make a little bit of money at the marketplaces of France and Italy. The majority of sales and royalties came from my primary 2 marketplaces. I made $65 at the German marketplace and a little bit below $20 at the American marketplace. My highest income day were over $12 a day, and the lowest income day were $0. So we were able to increase the royalties and the sold units compared to the last month of April. So I was very pleased again, very happy that we managed to get an increase of royalties and sales, and it helped me to stay focused and motivated for the following months. I hope you liked this little video, this little income report. If you do so, please hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. I wish you all the best, and we will see us in the next video.